Hello, hello! Are you ready for today's letter challenge? Let's go! Today's adventure is with the letter H. H says, spot the pictures that start with the letter H. Yes, here they are. Hug, heart, and hat. Great job! Choose your house. H is for house. Yay! So cute! Can you find the different hen? H is for hen. Look carefully. It's wearing a hat. Great job! You found it! Which word starts with H? Is it hippo, bear, or elephant?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes.
Yes, it's hippo! The word hippo starts with the letter H. Let's move on to our memory quiz. Try to remember the order of all these letters. Now, where is the letter H hiding? Do you remember? Yes, it's behind spot number 5. Great job! Can you spot the lowercase h? Yes, there it is! Great job! Would you rather fly in a helicopter or sail in a boat? H is for helicopter and B is for boat. Both are so much fun. Which one will you choose? Can you guess the picture from its shadow? It starts with the letter H. Yes, it's a hammer. Great job! Remember all the pictures carefully. They all start with the letter H. Now, where is the matching horse? Yes, there it is. Great job! Now, where is the second hand? It's right here. Well done! And finally, where is the matching hive? There it is! Excellent work! Great job, little geniuses! You did amazing today! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye!